everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So this week I only have 4 days, and I'm up at 8:30 heading to Kroger. Yes, Kroger. To shop. And so I'm getting stuff to meal prep for the week. So being that this week is just a 4-day week, I only need meals for 4 days. Technically, I probably really only need it for 3 because the kindergarten team eats out at least once a week. So, yeah, it's really cold out here. Hopefully I can wait to get gas at Kroger because I want to use my points. If my mother didn't use them yesterday, I just thought about that. This video is a collaboration for a grocery haul that is hosted by Wanda from Mr. Benchy. You also can check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All. It will be linked in my description box down below. I don't know if I needed any veggies or anything like that, but I feel like I wanted to get some veggies to juice with. Definitely check out the salad stuff to get for Sloppy Joe sandwiches for the week and stuff like that. My first instinct when I grocery shop is to go up and down each aisle to look at what it is that I feel like I need or what it is I might want for the week. So I start with the bread aisle, after the fruit and vegetable aisle, and then I proceed to go to the canned aisle as well as like the snacks and checking out the meat selection. Kroger is one of the places that I definitely do not like to get my meat from unless it is fish, as far as salmon or tilapia. I like to get my meat from Food Lion because it's just better priced and a better selection. And so I was just going ahead and looking at the hygiene products as well to see if I needed any body wash. Another reason why I love shopping at Kroger is because you get money off of your gallon. So today I'm paying $2.45 because I got 70 cents off the gallon. Exactly. $25 got me 10 gallons of gas. Okay, so I'm back in from Kroger. Now I'm gonna get ready to head home and put all this stuff away. No, I'm not gonna do a grocery haul because of the simple fact that, you know, you guys shopped with me. Basically, there are some things that definitely just were needed. Some other things where I just really wanted, just had to have. So, with that being said, I'm heading home to put my groceries away. And yes, I had to use all reusable bags from home. So I keep about 10 to 15 reusable bags in the car because, like I said before, where I live, they are now charging for the bags. And so I never know exactly how many bags I'm gonna need in each grocery trip. But today I used every one of them except maybe 3. So I got the bun, the sliders, the Mardi Gras cupcakes, eggs, and regular bread. Here are all the other bags, and some are over here. There is one underneath there, and there is some back there. I think that for this week's meal prep, since I have bread, I can do like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I can take some chips. I also can meal prep some eggs, you know, for Tuesday morning, since we don't have work on Monday, which is tomorrow for us, or me. And then I do need to do some juicing. I did buy some things to try a new juice. So one of my favorite juices to do is cucumbers, apples, and lemons. And I did get 4 Body Armor drinks, so that'll be what I drink for lunch this week, unless I add them into a smoothie, which makes really good smoothies. So definitely don't knock it until you try it. I know for sure that I bought stuff to make like Sloppy Joe, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, chicken thighs, and things like that. So showing y'all some of the things that I got. I got some stuff for like my face, lotion, conditioner. I thought that I was buying shampoo and conditioner, but I was wrong. So I also got some flushable wipes, aluminum foil, and like some cookies, broccoli, creamer, shrimp, things like that. So these are just some of the items that I got from this grocery haul. I do eventually need to go back out one day this week and finish the rest of my grocery haul. I wanted to show you all the juice that I came up with this week, just something different to try. So I used celery, oranges, cucumbers, because my lemons had molded and I didn't realize that they would mold that fast. So I went ahead and put my oranges in with the peel on, using the level 2. And so this is what came out of the oranges. I went ahead and just dumped it into a container that I emptied. And so I also, like I said, used the cucumber and the celery. And the cucumber and the celery broke down easier than the oranges. And I felt like this would be a great thing to have. So I also added in the pears and the apples. I can meal prep this week. I need like some, yeah. So I'm going to show you guys some new meal prepping ideas soon. Other than that, yep, I'm headed over to Food Lion. So I came to get a couple groceries. Forgot to bring my reusable bags out the trunk, so I'm definitely not paying for a thing. Alright, so I'm in Food Lion. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. I'm in Food Lion getting things to meal prep for the week. Told you that they're charging for bags, so I've bought in every bag that I have. I didn't have to pay for any bags. Time to load up the car. Okay, so I'm out of Food Lion. I also spent things on stuff for the meal prep. As I'm heading back home from Food Lion, I am contemplating what I'm going to be making using the groceries that I recently just bought from Kroger and the groceries that I bought from Food Lion. Here are some of the items that I picked up at Food Lion today. And so meanwhile, I'm thinking that I'm going to make some noodles with Alfredo, some chicken, some meatballs, some zucchini banana bread, you know, like for breakfast. And so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I bought in this haul. If you guys know me, I do like the Duplin wine. So I bought 3 of those today that I found at Food Lion. I also picked up one from the Cupcake Factory, the Stella Rose, and then the Woodbridge. I am a fan of the Duplin myself. I like each and every flavor that they have. Every time I go to Food Lion, I do pick that up on the normal. These are just some of the like small things that we needed for this week in order to meal prep. And at the end of this video, there is a meal prep for the week coming up. I did go ahead and use some of the things that I got from both grocery hauls, as I just wanted to show you guys that meal prepping is very easy, especially for me. I have to when you only have 30 minutes for lunch. By the time you heat it up, it does seem to be time to go back. And as a teacher, you do want some type of time to yourself. So I try to make meals that are going to be quick and easy for me to heat up. I did also grab some hygiene products for my hair, my body, stuff like that while I was in Food Lion too. So let's go ahead and jump right into this meal prep. And I want to say thank you all so much for sticking around to see the meal prep in this video. I am going to be pulling out the chicken breast, the ground turkey, and some of the hamburger meat. I'm also pulling out some of these noodles that I recently already had and got from Trader Joe's for $1.19. I am going to go ahead and thaw a bunch of different things out that I need in order to do the meal prep. So I'm restocking my Premier Proteins while I'm thinking about it and getting things out and ready for my meal prepping. I also went ahead and meal prepped some stuff for the zucchini banana bread, as it does make a great breakfast. It also makes a great lunch and also makes something good as a dessert for the afternoon. A lot of people probably have not heard of zucchini banana bread, and if you haven't, there is a video here on my channel that you guys can easily go and watch. I have recently been making mini loaves and just packaging them up using plastic wrap or aluminum foil, and they can stay in the freezer for up to 1 month. And if you are putting it in a plastic container or something like that, it lasts up to 3 to 4 days. So with the noodles, I went ahead and made the noodles. I added in the Bertolli Alfredo sauce. I did add in some extra seasoning just to give it some type of flavor. The Bertolli Alfredo sauce is definitely not like the one that you home make, but it was what I had, and I wanted to use it. So this month's challenge was to use anything that I already have in there and then add on to what I needed. And what I had was what I used. I'm gonna go ahead and season up these chicken breasts. The chicken is gonna go along with my chicken Alfredo. So I just rub both sides with the seasoning, season both sides really well. And then for the meatballs, this has been a great kick lately where I've been adding things such as like garlic and herb. I've been adding in the Tabitha Brown seasoning that can be found at Sam's Club. I've also been adding in Tony's. I've been adding in seasoned salt and things like that. Mix it up really well and then just form it into balls and get ready to put it on the stove in a pan with like some olive oil. And so here's the chicken. Once it cools down, I'm going to be able to slice it up and dice it and put it into the chicken, the noodles with the chicken and Alfredo sauce. So update on the meatballs, you just go ahead and stir them around in the pan like you guys see here. I would give it roughly about at least 10 minutes of stirring, and so you just want to make sure that it's done all the way through. These definitely do not take long, and they're really great to heat up and put over rice or to just put with a salad or something like that. Here's the zucchini banana bread that I've made. I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it up and get it ready for me to be able to take to work with me for tomorrow. And let me just say that this is really great to have because you can easily wrap it up and put it into the freezer for up to 1 month. Once you've already ran through that first one, it's great that you can open this back up, let it thaw out, and consume it within a week. So great packaging tips. To put it in the freezer is a great tip for me. I hope that this video has helped anyone who is considering meal planning or meal prepping into their work schedule, as a lot of us really only have 30 minutes of a lunch break, and one of those people is me. I would have more time to eat more if I was not actually hands-on with the students, but I am. And so here are just some of the other things that I meal prep for the week using the material that I pulled out. Some stuffed peppers and then some tacos. And I hope that you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel, as well as sharing this video out so that other people can come over and meal prep with me. I do want to get back into showing you all some meal prep ideas. If so, please comment down below and give me the encouragement to get back into showing you all meal preps. Also, please be sure to check out the playlist that's linked in my description box down below, as well as the host. Her channels will be linked in my description box down below. Have a great one. Thank you for watching.